Hi, and welcome back to my 2024 fall series for craft fair ideas. The first thing I have today is this movie basket. It's pretty big. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit. Last year in the Target dollar spot, they had these jelly bags, so I bought some. And I've seen them this year at Walmart. So I wanted to make a spooky movie bag. And I'm not going to take everything out, but I'll just tell you what's in it. There's Reese's peanut butter cups, M&M's, licorice, Sprite, a Hershey candy bar, popcorn, Oreo cookies, hot cocoa mix, and goldfish crackers, and I'm adding a pair of Halloween socks. And then this banner, I got these at Walmart this year. And then on Etsy, I found this spooky movie night kit. So this is a big ticket, and you can shrink these down on your silhouette or your Cricut if you have one. And then this is a little ghost that comes in the set, and I'm selling these for $20. I think it's super, super cute. In fact, the items that I'm showing you today are on this video are all my very most favorites that I made for this particular craft fair. Okay, and then Dollar Tree every year has the hot pads and the matching towels. And then on Amazon I bought about, I think it was maybe 12 of these spatulas, and they come in different colors. And then also at Dollar Tree I got the sugar cookie mix, and then I just made a tag that says bake up some fright for Halloween night. And then I added a cookie cutter, and I tied this bow around it just as a finishing touch, and I'm selling these for $10. And I stuffed some paper towel down into here just so this would keep its shape, and so that all of these items wouldn't sink down into the bottom, because you want them sticking up so that they show. So I think that's really cute. These sell well for me every year too. Okay, and then Walmart had these cute notebook sets. They have the spirals right here. There's 3 different colors and designs in a package for $3, $2.97. And then they had these shot needle pens. And then these little Pez dispensers, I got these in a package at Target this year. So I've got the notebook, the shot needle pen, the Pez dispenser for $6.50. That might be priced a little bit high. I might have to mark those down to like $5.75 if they don't sell. So we'll see what happens. And then of course I've got some shred in the bottom. I'm a big shreddy. Okay, and then I made some smaller movie kits with, I remember I said I bought these spatulas. So I bought some smaller, well, not movie kits, but some baking kits. So I've got the cookie mix from Dollar Tree, the spatula, cookie cutter. I got these cookie cutters at Walmart this year in a bundle. And then that's that same tag, bake up some fright for Halloween night, and some shred and a tulle bow. And I'm selling these for $7. I know these will sell well, because that's a good price point. And who doesn't love a batch of cookies to bake, right? Okay, and then on Amazon this year, I bought these adorable Heishi beads bracelets. Okay, this one says boo, this one says spooky. They come already made. There was quite a few in a bundle. I want to say maybe 20, 25. I will put the link below. And then I just added these cute Halloween Skittles. I just love the color of the Halloween Skittles this year, the packaging. It's so cute for Halloween. And I'm selling these for $5 each. So like I said, I'll put everything I mentioned in this video, I will put the links, okay? Well, not everything, but the things that are linkable. And then on one of my previous videos, I showed these poppets that I bought on Amazon, a whole bunch of them. I think there's like 50. So I just put a Pop-It with another bag of Skittles. And you could also use the Halloween Skittles. I was just trying to use these up because I had already opened my package before I found the Halloween. But these are way cute, and I'm selling these for $2. Those will sell really well for kids to give their friends for Halloween. And then also on Amazon, these are adorable. I found these chapsticks. And you guys, they're already made and put together. They come just like you're seeing here, already packaged and everything. And it says, "You are the balm. Boo, here's a treat for you. Happy Halloween." And this one has hands reaching out of the ground. This is a skeleton. It says, this one says powder. Zombie hands powder. And they're all chapsticks. This one is Witch's Grade Creep Chilled. Oh, Witch's Grade Keep Chilled. Infiltrated poison. This is a witch. Witch's brew since 1692. And I think there was like 6 different designs. I just pulled these 3 to show on the video, and I'll put the link on these. Super cute. I'm just so excited about all this stuff I'm showing you today. Amazon's my favorite friend. Also on Amazon, I found these rubber stretchy bracelets. A ton of these in a package. I want to say maybe 40 or 50. Maybe, I don't know, anywhere from 30 to 50. I can't remember for sure. Again, I've just packaged them with some Skittles. And I think I got these bags on Amazon too. These are 3 by 5. And if I can find the link on these, I'll put that too. I'm selling these for $2. And there's also black and white with different designs. Okay, and then lastly, on this video, this is the cutest thing, this cutest ideas. I saw this on Pinterest. So Walmart had these bowls, they're plastic, for 50 cents. And then the spoons I got at Dollar Tree, 3 in a package for $1.25. And you could use plastic spoons, I just thought real would be cute. And then these little monster pop-ups, I got those, I believe, at Hobby Lobby in the party section. And then look at the tag, you guys. Serial killer. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen? And tied it with spider ribbon. And I'm selling these for $3.99. Now also I had bought some glass bowls at Dollar Tree before I found these. And since the Dollar Tree ones were $1.25, the ones I used the glass bowls on, I've marked those at $5.50. And then the cereals you just get at Walmart, there's all different kinds in a package. I think you get 8 in a package. So, and all different kinds of cereals. So I had these last year, and they really sold well. So, okay, that's my little wrap up for today. I'll just kind of put everything here to do a recap. I hope you got some cute ideas. And like I said, I'll put the links. And okay, the bracelets, the pop-ups, and that's everything. So fun. Oh, and the chapsticks. Okay, thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my video on my booth and how it looked by the time I got it all set up. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.